Hey, Cookaholic, Chef Kendra here, and today we are making maple pancakes. So let's do what we do and make it happen. Milk, egg, vegetable oil, salt, maple syrup, baking powder, and all-purpose flour. In this big measuring cup, we have flour. We're going to add our baking powder. Good. Next, the salt. We're going to mix this well with a fork. We're just using a fork for this entire thing. No hand mixer needed, but a whisk would do nicely. Now we're going to set our flour mixture aside. Now in this bowl, we're going to pour in our milk. We're going to get an egg in. Next, vegetable oil. And our maple syrup completes our wet stuff. Mix this stuff well. Now fam, we're adding our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. By the way, you can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's right. Let's get all our flour mixture in there. This mix makes about 8 pancakes. My maple pancake recipe might end up being your go-to pancake recipe. Once everything is thoroughly mixed together, set aside. This is the Walmart brand maple syrup. You don't need any of that fancy stuff. Personally, I like grade B maple syrup. It's hard to find, less expensive, and has a bolder flavor to me. We have a non-stick stove top griddle over medium heat, and we let it get hot. A non-stick frying pan works well too, of course. We're scooping up 1/4 cup of the batter for each pancake. I like to cook them 1 or 2 at a time. We're looking for bubbles to form on the top and the edges to dry out a bit. Then we flip and cook the other side until brown. You can keep pancakes in a warm oven until they're all done cooking. Let's do another one. They're just so easy to flip on non-stick. Look at that. I tore up that whole stack, y'all. You can serve these with additional maple syrup, fresh berries, whipped cream. It's your kitchen. Do what you want. Okay, that's it for this time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crap.